Okay, sige. So, palagpakan natin si Mr. Wallace. May tanong lang ako. Kamusta naman yan? Okay lang ba siya? Ano ba tawag dito? Ha? Ano? Whatever. Kamusta? Okay naman siya. Okay. Sa baba? Gano'ng kababa? Mababa talaga? Okay, sige.
Hello. This is for you all. Thank you very much.
Yes, come on!
Easy to find no time to slip away too fast.
I love you!
1 minute you're happy, the other you're sad. But if you give me one more chance, show my love for you is true. I'll stand by your side your whole life through. If life is so short, you let me love you before we run out of
Hindi kita kinakaya!
Love is so strong, why won't you take the chance before our time has gone? If life is so short, if life is so short, if life is so short, love is a word that explains how I feel for you.
Kailangan may ganun tingin,
And
ha?
you're in my arms,
Kailangan pang akin?
all my dreams come true. When you're not around, it can hardly see. It's tears I'm crying now, I'm for you to be with me. If life is so short, why won't you let me love you before we run out of time? If love is so strong, why won't you take the chance before our time has gone? If life is so short, if life is so short, if life is so short. Thank you very much.
Grabe naman! Wala pang kiss dyan! May pagtitig-titig ka pa, ha? Nakaakit? Kailangan may ganon? Pag nahiya pa siya kanina. Kunwari ayaw niya. Di ba naghanda? Nag-practice? May stage presence? Ilan taon na kayo ng girlfriend niyo? 3 years. Kaya kang buwagin yun. Minsan ba naisip mo na magka-girlfriend ng taga Manila? Long distance relationship? Na nagtatrabaho sa Inidorohan? Okay, so thank you, Wallace. Okay.